Let's add in some tape-ins. They're super seamless, they're easy to install, they're versatile, and I love that they give me a pop of color without actually having to bleach my natural hair. I'm actually using 3 different types of tape-ins. These are gonna be more of a highlighted blonde with chocolate brown. I'm using another brand, and then I'm also using Kinky Straight, so that way I get some nice texture. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start sectioning off the parts where I don't wanna add tapes. This is the safe zone, so that way you can pull your hair up if you need to. So I'm sectioning out the back, and then I'm gonna section out the sides as well, so that way I can do half up, half down styles and all sorts of different things like buns as well. So you'll wanna section off the perimeter of your hair as well. And then I like to start in the back. I have been doing this for so long that I kind of do this by feel at this point, but I'm gonna stick the first tape in on the side, and then I pull it up, and any hairs that don't attach pretty much fall, but I like to keep it nice and clean because if you have any stray hairs, they'll pull and snag, and it's just not healthy. So I'll then add in my second tape to sandwich, and we've got one tape in down. It's easy as that. And I'm gonna continue around my head. Now, I'm sorry, y'all. The footage in my bathroom was really strange. You'll see, it wasn't coming out well. So we're just gonna go up our head doing the tapes. And again, we're just sandwiching in and making sure that everything is really, really nice and neat. I'm gonna show you the top, so you guys will actually get to see some more of installing the tapes. And this is me kind of sectioning off that front part section, so that way you can't see my tapes in the top. So I work in the front on a diagonal, so that way the tapes are comfortable when I pull my hair up. And then you'll see I attach it going up, and then I make sure that the part is really nice and clean so that I don't have any straight hairs. And then I add a tape right on top to sandwich my hair in between. And then I just press really nice and tight and move on. That's pretty much it. Like I said, super easy. Again, you'll see me parting here on a diagonal because you wanna, it's gonna help with the flow and movement of the tapes as well. And then you'll see me here. It doesn't really matter if you add the tape going down, then you add your sandwich going up or reverse. I know that probably made things complicated, so just, I'm so sorry. But you just want to sandwich your natural hair in between the tapes, and you want to do it really nice and neatly and thin. I know I keep saying that, but that's really important. And that's pretty much it. So I'll just let y'all watch until we get to the end. So now that all the tapes are installed, we got to do a cut. We have to do a cut so that we get really nice movement and layers and texture in our hair. So I'm starting from the longest part of my hair and then just dragging the scissors down, and I'll work all the way around my head, making sure that I have layers going all the way around. And then you'll see here the layers start to come together. Repeating the same on the other side. Here I cut a little bit more severely. This side was the struggle, but it's okay. Sisters, not twins. Or whatever they said. So we're gonna keep layering, and then I'm cutting off some of this end because I don't need it that long. To be honest, I almost wanted to cut more, but I was like, hey, no, let's just keep a little bit of length. It's cute. I love the subtle highlights. I can't even believe, I'm gonna show y'all the back. I cannot believe how well it blended. So I'm curling. I'm still trying to figure out how to curl really nicely for layers. I like to curl under, and I feel like the layers pop that way, but y'all can, tell me what you like to do. I'm open to taking notes. See, they just pop. I don't know. A little bit of Olaplex. Oil, which has saved my ends. Look at the layers. Look at the back. Like, are you kidding? Seamless, literally seamless. gorgeous. I love them. I love them. I keep touching my hair all day. Like it's been a day. It's been like 24 hours. I cannot stop touching my hair. It just feels so soft, so good with that keratin treatment. It's, look, chef's kiss. And like I said, it's super versatile. You can throw it up in a bun. You can do your half up, half down styles. Love it. So let me know what you guys think. Love you. Bye.